Well, he left a loaded gun in his house, a gun that killed a Poway teenager who was hallucinating.
We first told you yesterday about the Poway father's guilty plea. And new tonight, 10 News reporter Jennifer Jensen has a drug counselor's concern over the teen's behavior the night of that shooting.
Kevin Brennick entered a guilty plea as he stood before Superior Court Judge Dwayne Mooring, admitting guilt to a misdemeanor charge of improper storage of a loaded firearm.
Are you entering your plea freely and voluntarily because you believe it's in your best interest?
Yes.
17-year-old Luke Lipscomb was a Poway lacrosse player who'd been partying with Brennick's son and another friend back in November 2011. According to court documents, that night, Lipscomb was acting out of control after smoking marijuana laced with synthetic drugs. When friends went to call 911, a single gunshot was heard, Brennick's rifle at Lipscomb's side.
Marijuana today can be 20 times as strong as even 15 years ago.
Nancy Knott specializes in teen drug use. She says oftentimes teens knowingly buy drugs that are laced.
Parents need to look at the fact that all these kids are at risk. Marijuana being laced with something, that is not unusual.
It was at a Poway City Council meeting last October that Lipscomb's parents called for justice after nearly a year with no charges being brought.
What's so different about our son that he doesn't deserve proper investigation and enforcement of the laws?
Wednesday, 10 News was inside the courtroom as 50-year-old Brennick was placed on a 3-year probation. The prosecutor said the Lipscombs were in agreement with the plea deal.
Mr. Brennick has been cooperative throughout the process, which he has been extremely cooperative with law enforcement throughout the investigation.
Brennick also has to complete 40 hours of community service and attend parenting and firearms safety classes. In Poway, Jennifer Jensen, 10 News.
The Lipscombs did not want to attend nor address Brennick at Wednesday's hearing.